You gonna be able to give her a bit of gas now? Or?
I got her cracked open a little bit more this time.
Yeah, see what she does. Oh fuck. Go baby go. Yeah, she's burning her prime and that's it.
Yep.
Needs to get the carburetor cleaned out.
But that's it. She's timed right. Needs carburetor cleaned out. Thank you.